Money, money, money. We can never spend a single moment of our life without earning money. So you have to earn by hook or by crook. Or if you don't have any previous knowledge or experiences, or if you don't have any investing power, so how will you get paid, or how will you earn more and more from online? In this video I want to share how will you get paid $500+ from Google, make money online fast. In this video I want to share about 4 websites and some secret tips and tricks how will you improve and start earning from online. This website is called www. Hey, this is learning and earning tip in every single day to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel and did not subscribe before, just subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from my YouTube channels. And if you click on this playlist here, you will get all types of informative learning and earning related videos from this awesome channel. And in this channel you will get English based language or content on every Friday and Sunday. And I cordially request to my subscribe this second channel. This call is make money online, and share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. Alright, this is an awesome interface of Zinzer.com. This is totally free website. You can use this for earning or on the other hand start earning from online. This is called Zinzer.com. You can add your Google Chrome extension, or on the other hand you can download or install on your computer easily. So how will you use it step by step I wanna share. You can make money online by using this website, but here is a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps, or else results will not be possible. So after coming here, you will get this amazing feature about Zinzer.com: contextual spelling checker, vocabulary enhancement. Number 3 is sentence refresher, so you can use it easily. Now I would like to share another website that is called Latium.com. Latium.com is a professional marketplace. By using this website you can make money online as a freelancer or as a client. So after coming here you will get this feature, and if you scroll down here you will get this lots of categories project here. First one is server work, second one is graphics and design, social and digital marketing, websites and software, usability testing, registrations, translation and language, app downloads, video and animation, audio and music, other and other things here. So I want to share how will you translate from any languages, or how will you get paid by doing this translation and languages from this website easily. So after coming here you have to create an account. Just click on this sign up button here and providing all types of information. This one is first name, last name, email address and username, and just click on this box here and continue here. After creating an account on this platform you have to sign in on this here. So after doing it, then you have to click on this here, and awesome interface will be available in front of you. Just here is a lot of opportunities to start your journey on this platform. There are lots of categories here. So if you click on this browse here, you will get whatever you like here, or as you can see here. On the other hand, you can earn money from online by applying different types of process or strategies. So after coming here you have to click on this my profile here. You have to provide all types of informations if you want to make money online in future. Step by step set your portfolio first time. After decorating your portfolio you have to apply your browse project on this platform here. So I would like to click on this browse project here. These are another interface, and you are watching the lots of projects work and whatever you can see here. And this project is about predict, learn and earn Bitcoin with zero risks here. There are lots of projects here, and if you click on this search box here, and you will get the categories from here. Just click on this translation and languages here. So after coming here, you will get all the features about translation. Translate first memories English to Hindi. So this guy has set up his profile $100 to $150 for only work. Just only you can do it, and in this video I will share how will you do it and how will you complete your project file. I wanna share this one, and this guy has translate store Signes English to Spanish $250 to $300, and this one is $125 to $200. Lots of projects are here, and you can do it easily by following some tips and tricks easily. Now if you come to this google.com, I mean Google Translate, you know Google Translator is only free, and if you want to use it, you can earn more and more. 100% accurate result you will get from this platform here. Just after coming here, you have to use this one. And first one, if you paste the expected language on this box here, and you have to select your language. First of all, I would like to select my language from here. Just select the English, and you have to convert or translate on another language here. So I would like to select Italian on this platform. So paste your expected or expected language here. Now I have written another topics on my Microsoft Word. Just paste it here, and this one has been translated into Italian language. Boom, this is the awesome and free way to make money online. After doing this, you can earn more and more, and you can use over and over and again on Google Translator. So if you copy this one, and you have to decorate on Google, so just click on here Google Doc and get another blank page to decorate properly. Boom, this is the awesome easiest way to translate any types of languages by using Google Translator and Google Doc all together. On the other hand, you can use Microsoft Word. So I could really request to do it again and again and over to make money online or free money online from home easily. This is the easiest and best way to make money online. I cordially request to watch this video again and again. Now I would like to share another one. This is called the Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a professional marketplace, you know, and all the freelancers and clients are working on this platform more and more for earning extra cash from home. There are lots of categories here. Number one is programming and tech. You can choose, and you have to increase your skill more and more for ensuring extra cash from here. So number two is graphics and design, and all the subcategories are available on this platform here. And number three is digital marketing, and number four is writing and translation here. So if you click on this here, you can work on this Fiverr.com side by side Latium.com as a freelancer for earning extra cash from here. On the other hand, you can choose this another category. This is called the video and animation, and lots of subcategories are on this platform here. And on the other hand, this one is music and audio. This one is business, lifestyle, industry. So if you can increase your skill, or if you scale up, you can start your earning from various types of online professional marketplace such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, peopleforhour.com. Today I have shared with you, this is called the Latium.com. This is the awesome and pretty cool amazing website to start your journey as a newbie or a beginner for earning extra cash by staying at your home in this bad situation. So first of all, you have to create an account on this Fiverr.com, and wow, this is the total statistics of my learning and earning tube. And if you are watching this video, I could really request to subscribe this channel, and if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now, share and more. Or on the other hand, if you are new, wanna make money online, just like this and keep watching here. So after creating an account on this Fiverr.com, you have to make a eye-catchy gig like this. And if I search on this translation, I will get this gig. This is called the gig, this is called the gig, these are also gigs you have to set up on this Fiverr.com. This guy has earned 313 times, and his gig starting at $5, and he has written a title here. I will translate English to Dutch. This is the easiest way to make a gig. If you don't know how will you create a Fiverr gig on this platform, and I cordially request to watch my all types of Fiverr related videos from this learning and earning tube, and there are 8 videos about Fiverr.com and how will you create a Fiverr.com account and how will you create a gig or eye-catchy or professional gig. You will get all the information from here. So if you search on about translation, you will get these amazing features, and this guy has got only 5 star. This guy has also earned or ensured 5 star from here, and this is a professional marketplace. You will get this opportunity side by side Latium.com, and thus if you can increase your capability or skill day by day, you can jump up into another freelancing marketplace such as Upwork.com or Freelancer.com, or on the other hand peopleforhour.com. This is my total video in today. I have shared number 1 is called Latium.com, is a professional marketplace. You can start your journey for translating from this platform by using Google Translator, and all together also you can use this Ginger.com. First of all, after coming here, you have to add your extension. If you use the Chrome, or on the other hand you can install this website or apps on your device to use more and more and over again. So if you are first time, if you didn't subscribe the channel, I could really request to subscribe and share more and more with your friends. Just click on this bell button to get all types of amazing latest learning and earning related videos from my YouTube channel. I also cordially request to subscribe this new channel, and on this channel you will get all types of English content from today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.